welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Tuesday quick and easy video. Today I'm going to be making a chalkboard lazy Susan, a chalkboard lazy Susan, because I love the idea of writing the names of the things that I'm going to have on display or to write something funny about them. So this is great for entertaining if you love to entertain your friends and family. All right, so let's get started with the video. In order to achieve the best result with chalk paint over bare wood, it's best to apply primer first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and let it sit for about 2 hours. So while I let the primer dry, I'm going to go ahead and paint both of my cake pans with chalkboard paint. I actually only need the rims to be painted, but that's way too much work trying to avoid the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and paint both of them in the inside with chalkboard paint. Now I'm gonna go ahead and paint my round pine with chalkboard spray paint. To prepare my chalkboard for use, I am going to rub a chalk all over it, and I'm going to be using this side of it. Now I'm going to use a piece of napkin and I'm going to wipe it off. Next, I'm going to glue on the base, aka the turntable of my Lazy Susan, and I'm going to be using Quick Grip to glue it on. There it is. Now I'm going to embellish my second cake pan with rope that I got from Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is add a little bit of hot glue and wrap it all around. And it should look something like this. In order for my Lazy Susan to rotate, I'm going to add marbles inside my cake pan, and then I'm going to place the other half right on top. To be stable, you have to make sure that the marbles are distributed evenly, so you cannot have too many or too little inside the pan. Before I assemble the entire Lazy Susan, I'm going to go ahead and write something right on top of it. This is totally optional. You don't have to buy stencils. I'm just going to use the stencils because my handwriting is horrible. So yeah, let's do that. That is not center, but I wouldn't expect any less from me. But the good thing is, if you mess up, you can erase it and do it again. All right, so let's finish this up by placing the turntable on top of its base. All right guys, this is it. I am really loving the rustic vibe this Lazy Susan is giving me. I am really going to enjoy it for entertaining, and I can think of millions of things that I can write just to be funny. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Until next time, bye.